Just look at this dosa. You can see how beautifully thin and porous it is. It is soft and slightly crunchy, incredibly light, and can't describe how wonderfully the aroma of Urad Dal enhances the taste of the dosa. This is Karnataka's coastal special Urad Dal dosa. No fermentation needed, perfect for everyday breakfast and even for lunchbox. Hello everyone, welcome to Home Plate Delights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started and make this unique coastal style Urad Dal dosa. This dosa requires very few basic ingredients. Here I have taken 1 cup of dosa rice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Urad Dal. Wash this nicely and soak it for at least 6 hours or overnight. This has been soaked for more than 6 hours. Let's take this out and put it in a mixer jar. To grind this, I will be using the soaked water itself. Make a smooth fine batter out of this. Look at this, how nice and smooth it is. The aroma is so good already. Add lots of water and make thin batter. The batter thickness should be something like neer dosa batter. Add salt as per your taste. Just look at this consistency, how nice and thin it is. That's it, the dosa batter is ready. Let's go ahead and make dosa. The pan is nice and hot. Let's grease some oil. Take the batter and pour the batter on hot tawa just like this. See how beautifully the pores are getting generated. Cover the lid and cook it for at least 1 minute. It has cooked nicely. Let's take it out. Look at this beautiful golden color. Slightly soft, slightly crunchy. This goes perfectly well with peanut chutney. Please do check out the peanut chutney recipe on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.